guys, welcome back, and in this latest video I'm going to show you that how to add your relationship status on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then come to your profile section. In your profile section, you can see the option of see you about information. Just simply tap on it, and then here scroll down a little bit until you get the option of add relationship. That's where you can easily add your relationship status on Facebook. Just simply tap on it, and then here select your relationship status, whatever it is, and then you can select the visibility. You can set it to public, friends, or you can set it to private. And then you can here tag your partner or whatever it is if it have a Facebook account. If it doesn't, just leave it. And then from here you can add the year. Just simply select the year and tap it OK. You can also add month. Select the month and tap at OK. And at the end, just select the day and tap at OK. It doesn't matter you have selected the all of these are you left, you just select the year or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's up to you what you want to add. And then after that, once you've done all of this stuff, tap at save to continue. And then you can also share it. I'm just leaving it for now. So that's how you can easily add your relationship status on Facebook. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be recommend you to check the latest video on end screen.